Hello, this is Jake Makes Things, and today I'm going to take apart this Kwikset core from a deadbolt. It is quite old, probably 20 plus years. So we're going to remove this retaining ring at the back. That was easy. There we go. And we're going to very slowly take the pins out. Alright, there's a standard driver pin. Another standard driver pin. And another one in 4. No, it's not. 3, rather. And by saying 3, I meant 2, since this is only a 5-pin block. Oh. And I just dumped the key pins, which does not matter. I can put these back later. This lock I use for practice and for playing with, for the most part, because I can just very easily take it open and change the order of key pins. We have very standard parts. One interesting thing, and this is on several Kwikset models I've seen from other YouTubers as well, they have these security holes, or that they're like production holes that are drilled into the plug. You can make it so, maybe not on this model, but with other models, you can actually make it so the incorrect key will open the lock this far and allow the driver pins to settle into these holes, jamming the lock, making it impossible to remove the key, and impossible to open the lock, meaning you would have to reassemble the lock completely to get the key out and get the use of that door back. But it's a pretty standard Kwikset model. I don't happen to have the model number since this is quite old. And for the pinning, it's just all standard. Let me grab my tweezers here. They're all standard driver pins. No spools, no serrated. Very standard key pins as well. A little bit of mushroom top to them. But it's a fairly simple lock. That is all I have. Thank you for watching. If you like this and would like to watch more, please subscribe. And have a great day.